It's spring home improvement time. Make an impact with a new garage door.
Yeah, you can with Bestland Garage Door Service. Jeffrey back with us. Good morning.
Good morning.
You know, we talk a lot about the impact that a new garage door can have on a home. Just expand on that a little bit. We've got some before and after pictures just to show just the difference it can make.
Absolutely. There's many different options. If you're looking to change the look of the front of your home, that is a big thing. Many people hit their doors, so getting one that's going to work properly.
Both of us.
Some old doors like you're seeing now are old wood doors, and it's just time for them to go, and we can replace them with more energy efficient, better working doors. The biggest thing is reliability, right? We want to be able to press the button, the door goes up, press the button, the door goes down, and not worry about it. So it's definitely, if you have a door that's not working properly, maybe it's time for a new one, but cosmetically it can make a big change to the front of your home.
Well, and the return on investment would be significant too when it comes to that.
It absolutely can be. There's many different things, you know, home values are going up just like everything else, so it can help with the curb appeal of your home, which will make it easier to sell. And there are energy efficient savings that you can have if you have an insulated garage. There's some discounts you can write off on your taxes there, so there's definitely different things for new doors. And if you don't need a new door, we can definitely repair the one that you have.
Speaking of that, say you accidentally go in your garage door too fast and you hit it a little bit on top and it pulls it off track. Can you guys come and fix that?
We absolutely can. It happens multiple times per week. You know, we just aren't always paying attention to what we're doing exactly. And, you know, if you hit it, not always does your door need to be replaced. In many cases, it can be repaired. In this area, we have a lot of insulated doors. So if you split them in half, then it's time for a new door. But if we can repair it, we try to do that first before replacing.
And talk about the importance of having a professional do the repairs. I mean, it can be actually dangerous to try to replace some things yourself.
It can be very dangerous. Things look a lot easier than they are in a video. Even watching our trained professionals work on the door, we make it look easy, but with, you know, multiple years of experience, we can make things look a lot easier than they are, and they are very dangerous. There's a lot of tension.
Like the springs and everything.
Both with springs and cables. You should never take, if you have a garage door issue, don't ever take any bolts out. Just stop and call a professional. If you think bolts need to come out, it's time to pick up a phone.
Speaking of professional, talk about your team a little bit.
We have a very highly trained team with lots of experience. I've been in the industry for a few decades, and we have multiple guys on the team that have multiple decades of experience. We're all highly certified, trained, ready to go. It's and very nice. The customer service is obviously our biggest point. We need to make sure that not only are you getting treated properly, but your door is reliable. And if you have any issues, we're there for you 100%.
Day or night, we've heard you say. But also, really, we need to watch early next week, the Val Pack. What are we seeing in there from you guys?
Next week in your Val Pack Tuesday, you'll be seeing a special for a free set of rollers with any new motor purchase.
There you go.
That'll be running through the end of the month.
Okay. Well, since we were talking about awards today, they get the Lifetime Achievement Award. You can reach Bestland Garage Door Service at 920-789-3667 or book that appointment online, BestlandGarageDoor.com. Thank you, Jeffrey.
Thank you.